A video showing a church engulfed in flames is being shared on social media platforms with the claim that the church is located in Boston, Massachusetts and was struck by lightning on 3rd June 2023 at the wedding of a famous same-sex couple, and that firefighters could not reach the location on time. Our investigation led us to news reports by various media outlets that reported this incident. These state that the First Congregational Church of Spencer, Massachusetts, caught fire after being struck by lightning during a thunderstorm on 2nd June 2023. Hindustan Times reported that the church was empty when the fire broke out and that no one was injured. It took nearly 100 firefighters to control the blaze. In a conversation with AP News, the fire chief of Spencer stated that the church was closed and that no wedding was taking place at the time of the incident. A video uploaded by USA Today on YouTube shows the church's steeple falling from a different angle. CBS News reported that firefighters were able to pull back in time before it collapsed. This contradicts the claim that firefighters were unable to reach the church before it was completely destroyed. A video and photos posted by the Spencer Fire and Emergency Services on Facebook clearly show firefighters extinguishing the fire while the building was still standing. As a video of an unoccupied church catching fire is being shared as showing lightning striking it during the wedding of a same-sex couple, posts that make such claims are fake. Join our YouTube membership program and be a part of the journey of making public data meaningful. And remember, before you hit that forward button, pause.